Hello everyone. I just wanted to come on today and do a little journal flip of the fun long stitch binding journal that we made in July. I hadn't finished mine up quite yet until yesterday, so I just wanted to come on, give you a complete journal flip of our July project. If you're not familiar with the channel, you might want to think about subscribing. My friend Lisa from Lisa My Eclectic Life and I do a different book every month, and we do this live so that you can play along, and we would love it if you would join us. Now, I finished up the jewelry charms in a different live yesterday with Aunt Beck from Aunt Beck's Creations, and so these are charms, and they are on lobster claws so that the lobster claws will come off, and you can, in case you don't want all that jewelry hanging on your journal for the whole time. It's made so that they'll come up here out of the way when the journal is open, but at the same time sometimes you want things off. The journal was a long stitch binding, as you can see, with a link stitch in between, and we had a lot of fun with it. We used fabric for covers. I used some paper to go over the fabric. We put in pockets and tags, which were a lot of fun to make, of course. There's 4 signatures in my book. There's lots of place to write and lots of nice bright colored paper. I added some plain white paper in with the scrapbook paper, just to give more places to write or do art. We added little tabs different places. Belly bands. Just little ribbons for decorative trim. I did sew in mine. I wanted to have some stitching. All 4 of the signatures are similar but not the same. I used different papers throughout. I made different tags and belly bands throughout. This one is a pocket that opens for journaling, plus more journal spots and tags. Lots of little things added in, and at the same time there's a lot of place to write in this one. Oh, the paper, white paper I used, didn't quite make the proper square pages, so I folded it where I made 1 square page on the other side and a little half sheet there. I like the different sizes of pages, different things going on. Excuse me. Hey, shoo! Oh, excuse me. That little pocket's just made with lace. Put some lace just on the edges. We made little clusters of stuff to add to our tags. Since this is definitely the middle to the end of August for getting this finished, sometimes I don't get done the same month. You might want to check out our plans for, actually for September. In August, we're doing a triangle book with Copic stitch binding, which is a lot of fun. We've had a lot of fun with it so far. This one also is a flip up where you can journal on the spot. And this is the last part of our signature. And I chose not to add anything to the back of my cover. I'm really content with it just being the fabric. So anyways, that is my project for our July bookmaking group, or craft together, or whatever you want to call it. But please, if you're interested, message me and I'll be glad to tell you more about it and when the dates are and everything like that. I'm going to read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity. When the conscious mind feels alone in the universe, it is creativity that restores a sense of oneness. Okay, guys, go make some art, go have some fun. Bye-bye.